Hello everyone. In this course we are going to cover Alchemy University course about build web3 projects. In this projects uh, they will give us 10 hands-on web3 projects to build from the ground up with videos, written tutorial, starter code and community of thousands of developers. So I have already applied for it, and yes, I got it. I got the invitation, and this is the first week 1 email that I have received from Alchemy. So let's read the instruction and follow the guide and create our first app using Alchemy. So in this first week, what we are going to do is to write and modify smart contract using OpenZeppelin and Remix, get free Ringby Ethereum using Ringby faucet. I think it should be changed to Goerli. Let's see what we will see in the tutorial. Then deploy using the Ethereum Ringby testnet blockchain to save on gas fees. Then host NFT token metadata on IPFS using Firebase, and mint an NFT and display it on OpenSea. Okay, so your step-by-step guide that provided by Alchemy. Now there is a video also and a blog also that we can follow
GM everyone,
about
and welcome to the first video of Alchemy Road.
about how to develop your smart contract using Alchemy, OpenZeppelin, Remix, and Ethereum Ringby. Uh, then what we need to do is stop by our week 1 channel on Discord to connect with other devs at the same stage as you. When you have completed the challenge, submit your information here. Be sure to do it before Saturday, as proof of knowledge NFTs are minted every Sunday. Don't forget to check with the community on Telegram to form teams and work through the curriculum with fellow developers. Follow us on Twitter. So here it is. Let's start it with the guide. So how to develop an NFT smart contract ERC721 with Alchemy. Developing a smart contract with Solidity and deploying it on a blockchain might sound daunting at first. So Solidity, security, gas optimization, developer environment and gas fees are only some of things you'll need to go through to host your code on the blockchain. Luckily, in the last few months, a lot of tools have been released for developers to make their smart contract development job much easier. Tools like OpenZeppelin Wizard that offers developers click and write functionalities to create composable and secure smart contracts in no time. Use Web3 developer tools like Alchemy make the experience of writing and deploying code on the blockchain easy, fast, and reliable like never before. So in this tutorial you are going to learn how to develop and deploy ERC721 NFT smart contract using Alchemy, OpenZeppelin, Remix and Ethereum Goerli. So yes, here it is. We will use Goerli test network. More precisely, you will learn how to write and modify smart contract using OpenZeppelin Remix, get free Goerli Ethereum using Goerli faucet, then deploy it on Ethereum Goerli test blockchain to save on gas fees, Host the NFT tokens metadata on IPFS using Firebase. Then mint an NFT and visualize it on OpenSea. So let's start it with the by creating the smart contract.